and most important book of Hindu religion is Ved. When we read Ved, it's written in Yajur Ved, part number 32, mantra number 3, Natasya Pratimasti. There is no statue, no sculpture of that god. No idol, no converse, no statue, no sculpture, no photography, no painting. It is mentioned in Yajurved, chapter number 40, mantra number 8, that there is no image of that god.
Viewers, you just heard the views of Muslim religious spokesman Dr. Zakir Naik, and now come, let's hear the views of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Saint Rampalji Maharaj.
Pious souls, now I will prove from fourth pious religious book, pious Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that how is God, what is His name. As I told you that God resides in Satlok, means in seventh heaven, immortal place, the ultimate abode, top of entire universe, and He comes from there. He is like a king there, His body is radiant, too much illuminated. He lightens Himself while He descends exactly in human form and meets good souls. Amongst them, He met respected Nanak Sahib Ji, He met respected Garib Das Sahib Ji, He met respected Dharam Das Sahib Ji, He met respected Maluk Das Sahib Ji, He met respected Dadu Sahib Ji, He met respected Ghisa Das Sahib Ji, He met a Zinda saint, He also met respected Hazrat Muhammad Ji. It is said that Balak aur Bhilayak tab hum hi dhara bek. So what did he say? That I took Muhammad there, इच्छा रूपी वहाँ नहीं रहो, उल्ट मोहम्मद महल पठायो, गुज बीरज एक कलमा लाया, रोजा बांग नमाज दई रे, बिस्मिल की नहीं बात कही रे. It is said that when Hazrat Muhammad Ji came back, he told about three things: roza, bang and namaz. It was not the order of Allah to bismil. It is said, I took Muhammad over there, इच्छा रूपी वहाँ नहीं रहो, उल्ट मोहम्मद महल पठाया, गुज बीरज एक कलमा ले आया. It is said, रोजा बंग नमाज दई रे, बिस्मिल की नहीं बात कही रे. It is said, मारी गौ शब्द के तीरम, ऐसे होते मोहम्मद पीरम, और शब्दे फिर जमाई, हंसा रख्या, मांस नहीं बख्या, ऐसे पीर मोहम्मद भाई. Once Hazrat Muhammad Ji, with his word power, with spiritual power, killed a cow. Everyone gathered. He said, I will make her alive with my word power. Hazrat Muhammad Ji made the cow alive with his word power. In Suksham Ved, God Himself came and told, मारी गौ शब्द के तीरम, ऐसे होते मोहम्मद पीरम, और शब्दे फिर जवाई, हंसा राख्या means protected हंसा, मांस नहीं बख्या, ऐसे पीर मोहम्मद भाई. And you eat flesh taking his support. नबी मोहम्मद नमस्कार है राम रसूल कहाया, 1,80,000 को सौगंध जिन नहीं करत चलाया. अर्श कुर्श पर अलय तकत है खालिक बिन नहीं खाली, वो पैगंबर पाक पुरुष थे साहिब के अब्दाली. God said those who eat flesh, they are complete monsters. There is no dispute in that, whether Hindus eat or Muslims. It is said that those who eat flesh, they are evident monsters, whether they are Hindus or Muslims. You have made your own formulae. This is not the order of those great men. It is said, मांस खाए तो डेढ़ है सब, मद पीवे सो नीच, हो कुल की दुर्गति पर हरे, भगवान कहे सो ऊंच. It is said, मांस खावे सब डेढ़ है, whether they are Hindus or Muslims, Sikhs or Christians. It is said, मद पीवे सो नीच. Those who drink alcohol are despicable and destroy their lineage. Only those who chant true mantras of Allahu Akbar are superior. Now what is this slave trying to show? is that he took respected Garibdas Sahib Ji up above there in Arsh Kurush in Satlok, the immortal place, then brought him back. He also took respected Nanak Sahib Ji, spokesperson of Sikh religion, up above there, then brought him back. Respected Garibdas Sahib Ji from Chhodani village district Hajjar, Haryana said, Hum Sultani Nanak Tare. There was a ruler named Ibrahim Sultan Adam from Balak. God met him as well, saved him from all evils. Also Kabir Sahib Ji met Nanak Sahib Ji, Dadu Sahib Ji and Garibdas Sahib Ji. Clearly says, we all, that is, including me. हम सुल्तानी नानक तारे दादू को उपदेश दिया और जात जुलाहा भेद न पाया, वो काशी माहे कबीर हुआ. अनंत कोटि ब्रह्मांड का एक रति नहीं भार, सतगुरु पुरुष कबीर हैं ये कुल के सिरजनहार. Pile souls, now I will prove from fourth pious religious book, pious Guru Granth Sahib Ji, that how is God? When God met Nanak Sahib Ji, he took him to eternal place from Bay River in the form of Zinda Saint and later brought him back. Now I will show you from Guru Granth Sahib. There is one verse in this book which we verified through website from Guru Granth Sahib and found it to be as it is. I will show you what we have marked from this book. Look, the speech as noted from Guru Granth Sahib on page number 1257, Rag Malhar Mehla Pehla. What is said in this? Bage kapad bole band. Bage means he wear white clothes. Lamba nak kale tere nain or kabuhu sahibu means you have seen God. Ud ud chadya asma sahib samarath tere tani. और जल थल डूंगर देखन तीर थान थानांतर साहिब बीर. Now this is clear what is said. Bage kapade, he wears white clothes, and bole band, he speaks in sweet voice, and lamba nak kale tere nain, he has black eyes, and kabuhu sahibu dekha bhan, it is made clear that he has sharp nose. All this. Look next. Guru Granth Sahib, page number 566 to 567. Here it is written, Badda Sahib, great Lord, aap alak apar. Badda Sahib means great Kabir. Kabir, great Sahib, great God means aap alak apar. Tere loin daant risal means your eyes are also beautiful and your teeth are also beautiful. Sone Naak, Jin Lambe Wala, your nose is also beautiful, your eyes are beautiful, your teeth are also beautiful, you have long hair, your golden skin, Sone ki dhana, your beautiful body like gold, it's divine. It is clear, teeth, eyes, nose, all are described. Now, see next from page 566 to 567, this is one phrase that Sarang yu pagdhare thim thim, like there is bird, Sarang, multicolored bird. It is said he walks like Sarang, he strolls together, tumk tumk, aap sudhariye, Sarang rati hiremati, उर्दक गंगा वाणी और विनमुख नानक दास हरि का चाल सुहावनी. योर एलिगेंट वॉक तेरी चाल सुहावनी. योर एलिगेंट वॉक तेरी चाल सुहावनी. मधुर वाणी. योर वॉक इज एलिगेंट, योर वॉइस इज स्वीट. Pious soul, whole Sikh community believe God is formless. It is mentioned in Guru Granth Sahib, whom you call as formless. Actually, he is in form and resides above.